Hi, my name is Chef Larry. I work for the Shrimp Boat. Today is National Shrimp Day. So what I decided to go ahead and do is make a shrimp scampi for you. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to heat the pan up. Get that pan fired up. We definitely want to warm that pan up just a little. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put olive oil in there to start it off. We're going to warm that up a little bit. The most critical part of this part is don't let it get so hot it starts to smoke, because if it starts to smoke, what happens is your shrimp will burn. What you want to do is you want to have the perfect pink shrimp. Okay, most people don't understand this part. Okay, so here we go. We have 13, 15 shrimp, the jumbo shrimp we use here. We use 7 shrimp to the dish. Another thing what we do is, like I said, we want to make sure they're nice and pink. We don't want them dark, or we don't want them dark or anything like that. They overcooked. So what we're going to do is we're going to watch them on both sides. Make sure they cook halfway, flip it on over. And then what we're going to do is add some garlic in there. We're going to go ahead and add our tomatoes. We don't want the garlic to burn because we don't want that burn taste in there. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start flipping it. As you can see, the color is starting to change. That's what we want. Move it around a little bit. This is the time you should go ahead and add some tomatoes in there. With those tomatoes, what we're going to do is we're going to hit it with a little garlic. Scampis have garlic in it, you know, so you want that nice flavor. From this point, what we like to do is, as you see, we're almost 70% done with the shrimp. Garlic is not burnt. We're going to go ahead and take this wine and we're going to deglaze it. Okay? Deglaze it off the bottom. Very important. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to get ready and put some butter in it. I like it a lot of butter personally. I would say where there's fat, there's a little bit of love, and there's definitely some fat in butter. So what we're going to do is go ahead, put that butter in there. That will give it a nice flavor. Salt and pepper. Always got to salt and pepper everything. Salt enhances the flavor. Then we're going to put our pasta in. What I like to do is I take the pasta, I don't put it in water. I like to just put it right in the dish right away. People underestimate one of the most important things: parsley. Italian parsley has so much flavor when it starts to heat up. People don't realize it, so I like to go ahead and really put the parsley in and cook it in there. It actually gives it a nice flavor, a good taste. This is one of our signature dishes here. People love scampi. Order it all the time, every day. I flip it a little, but not too much. I don't want to play with it that much. Okay. After a while, you'll see the butter down in there. You want to make sure you have some juice. What I'm going to do is put a little bit more love in there. Once this melts, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that off, start plating it. I'm first going to put the pasta in, and then I'm going to put the shrimp on top. Go ahead and turn that off now. So, get ready to plate this. Take the pasta out. And I like to take it, I like to kind of twist it a little bit. Move the shrimp off to the side. Can. Go ahead and get all the good stuff in there. Make sure you don't forget anything. Once you get that off to the center, go ahead and just pour the rest off on the top. As you see, it's got some little juices on there and stuff. Next thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we put a little Parmesan. And there you go. That's our shrimp scampi. It's perfect.